All right, guys, it's Thursday. We're going to do our word work. Don't forget, tomorrow, Friday, April 10th, there's no school, so you do not have to do school tomorrow, okay? Okay, here's our rhyme recognition. Remember to give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Cow, how. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Ow, ow. They both end with ow sound. Dish, wish. Thumbs up, dish, wish, rhyme. Thin, dog. Thumbs down, thin and dog do not rhyme. Spoon, moon. Yep, spoon and moon rhyme. Bus, tag. Bus and tag do not rhyme. Okay, we're going to do beginning sound and then the word, and you repeat. Okay? Moon. Cow. Laugh. Sight. Dish. Okay, we're going to blend our words. Sun, day, Sunday. Him, self, himself. Football, football. Download, download. Toolbox, toolbox. Okay, we're going to do our medial sounds. Ought. Ah. Odd. Ah. All. Ah. Up. Ah. Ob. Ah. Okay, our medial, our middle sound was ah, oh. Get your choppers out. We're going to segment our words. Rainbow, rainbow. Keyboard, keyboard. Good night, good night. Pancake, pancake. Starfish, starfish. Okay, we'll be adding words and making new words. We start with the word bed, add room to the end to make bedroom. Good job. Start with the word side, add walk to the end to make the word sidewalk. Start with the word moon, add light to the end to make the word moonlight. Good job. Start with the word sand, add box to the end to make the word sandbox. Start with the word hand, add bag to the end to make the word handbag. Good job. Now we're going to delete part of our word. We have the word airplane, Without plane, what's left? Air. Good job. We have the word sunrise. Without rise, what's left? Sun. We have the word treetop. Without top, what's left? Tree. We have the word upstairs. Without stairs, what's left? Up. We have the word riverside. Without side, what's left? River. Good job. Okay, and we have our nursery rhyme. I'll say the line first, you repeat, and then at the end you can try to say the whole thing. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight. And the dish ran away with the spoon. Okay, I'm going to try to say it all together, and then after that, you can try to say it all together to a parent or a brother or sister. Okay, I'm going to try not to look. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Now you try. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.